2018, there were several local news reports saying that actor and future spaceman Tom Cruise was making Clearwater, Florida his permanent home, claiming that he purchased the penthouse that belongs to the building we're looking at right now. The top couple of floors is said to be owned by Tom Cruise. Although if you look up there, it looks like it's under construction, and the windows, looking through the windows, it looks vacant. Maybe Tom Cruise does own this place, but it doesn't look like he's moved in yet. Well, hello everyone. Good to see you in there. Welcome back. I am Tampa J, and this is the Tampa J channel. Today we're exploring some fun facts in history down and about downtown Clearwater, Florida. First stop, the Capitol Theater. Sits right here on Cleveland Avenue. Since 1921, it opened on August 21st with the motion picture by the name of Dinty. Like Dinty Moore beef stew, although it's just Dinty. Never seen it. Have you? The Yes and Alan Parsons live project was supposed to happen here on Sunday, March the 22nd. Melissa Etheridge and the Medicine Show tour was supposed to perform here on Friday, May the 1st. Also didn't happen. I went to the website to show you a picture of what it looks like inside, and it definitely looks a lot better than I remember it. Through this window you can actually make out the stage of the Capitol. Check out the lidded area down there in the center. You can kind of see the seats in there too. It's a little dark though. I know that's the stage because I once performed on it with my old band. I was the original drummer for a band called Strengthen What Remains. The wind picked up a little bit, sorry about that. But it looks like Cleveland Street has been blocked off all the way through downtown Clearwater for social distancing purposes because there are many shops and restaurants that run down the street. Many of the towns here in the Tampa Bay area, including Ybor City, have done that, so businesses could have the opportunity to open and have social distancing. So I'm about to lose my hat. It's gonna blow off. It's gonna blow off. Oh, it's staying on. So we're just walking down Cleveland Street. Looks like the Chiang Mai Thai and Sushi Bar is open for business. There's quite a few tables outside too. Over here to the left, there's 3 restaurants in a row, all with outdoor seating. Something smells really good. Oh, I smell pizza. Downtown Pizza Sports Bar and Grill. Sign above that turtle over there says, yes, we're open. Grindhouse Coffee and Cafe is open. Local coffee spot, or you can just come across Cleveland Street. It's a Starbucks coffee. I do like Starbucks, but if I can give a buck or two to a mom and pop shop, I'll do that instead. As you may already know, downtown Clearwater is the Mecca to the Church of Scientology. This is their main location, I guess. I'd say their Mecca, or their headquarters. This old building here on Cleveland Street looks like it's been restored. There's also a lot of pictures in the windows over there. Let's go check that out. Here's an awesome old photo of the Capitol Theater. Check out this war bond rally in 1943. There's a band there with a lot of servicemen and a lot of people just congregating out in front. Jim Morrison of the Doors lived with his grandparents just 2 blocks north of downtown on Osceola Avenue. He frequented the Clearwater Public Library and the Francis Wilson Playhouse. Also, he went to St. Petersburg College, where I used to go. He was there long before me though. Here's another photo of the Capitol Theater when it underwent some similar modernization changes in the 70s. Oh, and look at the marquee. They're lined up to see Jaws. That's pretty awesome. May 7th, 1965, the Rolling Stones came to downtown Clearwater, staying just across the street here at the Fort Harrison Hotel. And right behind this wall right here with the palm trees sticking out of it is the pool of the Fort Harrison Hotel, where the Rolling Stones stayed in 1965, and it is said that's where Mick Jagger wrote Satisfaction, one of their greatest songs. And somewhere up there in one of the hotel rooms, Keith Richards wrote out the guitar riff for satisfaction. This hotel is now owned by the Church of Scientology. I wish we could get in there, but many accounts of people trying and it not working out.
Can't really make it out, but through the shrubbery is the pool. I can hear people. There's actually people at the pool, but that's where Rolling Stones chilled out one time in 1965.
I can't get no satisfaction. Sing it with me now. I can't get no good reaction, but I try, 'cause I try, and I try, and I try. I can't get no. Hey, hey, hey. I think I'm a little off, but that's the song. This church over here across the street kind of reminds me of the Hotel California. It's got that old Spanish mission look. Just walking down the street. No one around. I'm gonna say the few times I've been to downtown Clearwater, it did look like this. Not just because of the pandemic and the roadblocks, but there is rarely anyone walking around down here. There are tons of sculptures down Cleveland Street, including this very scary looking face just looking up to the sky. Random cornhole game, but only half of it just kind of sitting in between these giant Target style balls. Looks like 3 or 4 lounges, bars, and restaurants all have available outdoor seating. Lots of it. This old building just sitting there vacant behind these palms. Looks like a couple photographs and paintings in the windows, but absolutely empty. This sign in the window reassuring that we are all in this together, and that's right, folks. Look at this. I like the mask. It's duct tape. I guess it's true, duct tape is the universal tool. Avenue des Jardins. I don't know how to speak French or pronounce it, but I believe that's French. And this mural is just kind of painting tribute to being on South Garden Avenue. Once again, I feel like I'm the only one here, although I do see people way down there. Way down there. Well, it looks like Station Square Park is blocked off. You cannot get inside there. Not much there though, it just looks like a fountain and maybe a courtyard to these buildings to the left and to the right. He's hard to make out, but there is a cardboard cutout of the one and only Bob Ross right here in this window. There he is. Check him out. The happy painter himself. Good to see you, Bob. Keep it clean. We are all downstream. Here's a place I look forward to checking out once it opens back up. Vector Bar and Arcade. A barcade. Those are always fun. I wonder what cool vintage games they might have inside there. Just around the corner there was a protest going on earlier. People were out doing push-ups and squats protesting that they opened the gyms back up. Thought about it just now seeing this building. Maybe it's just a matter of time, not any time. The mural on the side of this building depicts the old Scranton Arcade, which used to sit here in downtown Clearwater on Garden Avenue. It is long gone, but this was the first shopping center, one of the first shopping centers in all of Florida. 1925 to 1954. This mural was painted by Carl and Mary Ann Cowden III, right through the heart of Clearwater, on the same path. A pedestrian walkway, railroad tracks, and a street. Very empty too. Well, my friends, it is time to end this video. Thanks for watching me, guys. I hope you enjoyed the tour of downtown Clearwater. We'll come back sometime. We've only hit the tip of the iceberg as far as fun facts and history. I'll see you next time. I'll end this video and stop rambling. Okay, there's much ahead, my friends. Hope you're doing well out there. Stay safe. Put a big smile on that face. Why? Because you deserve it. See you later.